This video shows you how to turn in assignments to your child's class dojo. So the first thing you're going to do is get onto your child's portfolio. One way you might be able to do this is through our website, web resources, and click the class dojo. I'm hoping that this will continue to work and I don't need to pass out a code every day. So find your child's name, or you can go in through the URL link that I gave you. That should always work. Your child will then see a to-do. To-do is from me, and you need to hit start. After you hit start, they will have some options. On this one, since I did not say to take a picture or do a video or do audio, I just said draw a picture. That's why it just gave you the picture option, and then you can write your caption afterwards. You always have that option. After you finish drawing your picture and writing what you like to do, or whatever the assignment said, you're going to go up and hand in the assignment. Down here it does say you can do an audio also and record it, so I could say what I read. Then we'll have to hit allow. I like to read books on a rainy day. I will hit stop. If I choose to record it, I can listen to myself. I like to read books on a rainy day. And then I'm going to hand that in. When your child hands that in, on my class dojo, it tells me how many kids have turned it in out of how many kids total. So this is why I would like you guys to go into the activity, is because then I can see who has turned it in and who hasn't turned it in. And it's a very easy way for me to see that. So once again, once I submit, and I'm in my class dojo, once I submit my to-do list, I won't have that anymore, and I can go and see all of our class stories, or I can go up and create something else that I would like to do. One of the things I would like your child to do every day somehow is a journal. So Class Dojo does have a journal. You can go up to journal. You can type a story, which some of you have been doing. And then you can save that. And if you would like to, you can delete it. If you don't like it, you can close, or you can post it and you can hand it in. So when you hand it in, you may not be able to see it right away because I have to approve everything. So on my end, on Class Dojo, I will receive a notice that says there's something to be pending. So I go to portfolios and I see that somebody has turned in 2 things. I will approve it, and sometimes I'll type a little note for you, or I might like it. So look for my notes. So as soon as I approve it, then on your Class Dojo, you will see that they have showed up on your portfolio. So when you go to your portfolio, you will see all of the things that you have done. So the home button tells me my story, that I'm giving you your assignments, and it will tell you your to-do list for long distance learning. Thank you.